बचपन से ही मेरे लिए पढ़ाई करने का मतलब हुआ करता था रट्टा मारना और जाकर एग्जाम दे देना। बट वक्त के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी के आने से ना सिर्फ हमारी लाइफ बदली है, बल्कि द वे ऑफ एजुकेशन हैज आल्सो चेंज्ड एंड इवॉल्व्ड. So today I am at a university that is truly revolutionizing the way education and learning happen. Welcome to Galgotia University in Greater Noida. Located in Greater Noida, UP, Galgotia's University is strategically positioned in the heart of India's national capital region. The university boasts a sprawling campus spread across 52 acres, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, modern infrastructure that includes academic buildings, advanced laboratories, libraries, and dedicated spaces for extracurricular activities. The university adopts an interesting concept of active learning, something that is practiced by international universities like Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. In fact, coincidentally, the day I visited the Galgotia's University was also the day that marks the inauguration of their special active learning building in the campus, which was also attended by foreign delegates of the Nanyang University of Singapore. The preparation and the celebration of this landmark day was definitely something to witness. Let's understand this concept better by Dr. Dhruv Galgotia, who is the CEO of Galgotia's University.
How are you, Kamya ji?
Very good. बहुत ही खूबसूरत यूनिवर्सिटी है. मुझे हमेशा से लगता था that these beautiful universities are only abroad, but it's so good to see a university here in India in the heart of Greater Noida. And I can see so many flags here. So what's the significance of these flags?
Yes, so every flag represents our students here. So we have students from 42 countries. It's just something that they pride on, seeing their flag of their home country here at Galgotia's University. We started in the year 2000 when my father established one of the top colleges of Uttar Pradesh under the APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, which was earlier called UPTU. The journey began from opening up bookstores. We were into selling books and publishing. He felt it a responsibility to kind of bring in that quality of education, but also at a really affordable cost.
Having started in 2012 with 40,000 students, 2,000 faculty, and over 3 million square feet of facilities, Galgotia's University offers top-tier education across diverse fields. The university emphasizes on all-round development, boasting a strong sports culture and notable achievements like the alumni winning bronze at the Paris Paralympics. Known for its innovative teaching and active learning, Galgotia's is redefining education for the modern era.
We don't want students to just sit in a classroom and listen to a lecture. We want students to be excited about going to a class. We want them to be keen to learn in a class and share and express their views and ideas. And that's how we've built the new classrooms. Transforming the university classroom by classroom, and we are changing the traditional way of teaching into the completely new collaborative style.
This looks like a very different kind of a classroom. I mean, very different than classrooms I have studied in, for sure.
If you see that this classroom has 5 touch screens, and we have divided the benches into individual round tables, and we have 6 students per table, 6 to 7 students. So when the faculty is teaching, there is no front or back of a classroom. The faculty it's much more collaborative, it's much more engaging. Earlier the classrooms were quiet and the teacher was giving a monologue, but we want our classrooms to be much more noisier.
Active learning,
active learning, exactly. If you look at Nalanda, Takshashila, our Gurukul system, this was based on active learning.
At this university, students and teachers work together, engage in a healthy discussion and solve problems real time. This is called active learning, जहाँ सिर्फ टीचर नहीं बात करते, बल्कि students and teachers collaborate and have a conversation.
Galgotia's University is not just transforming classrooms, but also enhancing learning through a partnership with the tech giant Apple.
This is one of a kind center powered by iOS and Infosys. So this is an actual iOS development center, and it's one of a kind in India, the first in the state of Uttar Pradesh and only the third in the country. Here the students are actually working on live iOS projects. 4 of our projects are almost on the verge of getting listed on the iOS app. So as you see, there are 100 iMacs here, and they're all working on the latest softwares and the latest hardware systems that are available. There is a team from Infosys and Apple who mentor our students on industry projects. Several hundred of our students have gone to the Infosys campus for their internship, and now they are ready to go into the world and make it a transformative space with their developments. So this is actually the community center where all sorts of discussions, collaborations happen. And when the students are on the verge of making the app live, it kind of goes to the final test when the Apple people come here. And if they pass, then they approve it for the next level.
So the Apple team actually comes and assesses what they are creating.
Oh yes, after 2 days, we're having India's first Apple event, which is called the Supercharge. Experts from Apple are coming here to educate the students on the latest in technology. So it's a great learning experience for the students.
Yeah, I'm a bit confused whether are we in an office, and an Apple office, or in a university. The aesthetics are on point.
Today's time, when you finish your course, the knowledge that you have gained is already outdated. In fact, before you pass out, the knowledge is outdated. We have to train them to be thinkers, to be innovators, to be problem solvers. We have to rewire their mind. So for that, we have to rewire the minds of our own faculty in terms of how to teach. That is the key. So while I was interviewing a faculty from Singapore, he said that we have a teaching, learning, pedagogy department in the university, which only talks about how to make the teaching or learning more effective.
A lot of focus here is also on skill development. By skill development, we don't only limit ourselves to soft skills, but also analytical thinking, emotional intelligence, teamwork. All of these things are very important for overall personality development of a student. Teaching should be less and learning should be more.
So this is Galgotia University's Incubation Center, जहाँ स्टूडेंट्स के पास अगर कोई स्टार्टअप आइडिया हो तो उनके लिए यहाँ पूरा इकोसिस्टम है, एंड दैट इंक्लूड्स मेंटोर सपोर्ट, corporate connect, access to government grants, seed investments, 24/7 lab support, and a lot more.
Yes, I do believe the concept of active learning is quite new to India. It's not so new in other parts of the world. This university is in some ways leading the charge in India.
Australian students can be quite lethargic, they can be quite lackadaisical, and Indian students, you never experience that. What your country is famous for is enthusiasm, and I've seen so many enthusiastic students.
There is, I think, a lot of practical learning that we get to learn. So I think that is the thing that I love the most about this college.
And besides the learning part, I really love the exposure Galgotias bring to us.
Galgotias University has been recognized for its exceptional QS World University Rankings Asia 2025, and it continues to set benchmarks in education, innovation, and global recognition, aiming for top 100 status worldwide.
Galgotias University has been through a major transformative phase and is going through another major phase right now. We've seen their debut in the Asia University Rankings, phenomenal entry point. And I think at this entry point and the progress they will make forward with their new G-Scale project, which is all about experiential learning and really getting the students at the heart of the learning process, will mean that they are expected to adopt practices of top universities.
Well, it would be safe to say Galgotia University is clearly doing a lot more than just teaching. It is preparing the learners of today to be the leaders of tomorrow, all within the ecosystem to inform, inspire and engage. और अगर इसी तरह education advancement चलती रहेगी, so we will truly reflect the tagline, building nation, delivering impact. With that, it's a wrap, and I hope you got to learn a lot more about Galgotia University. It's me, Kamya Jani from Curly Tales, signing off. Subscribe करना मत भूलना.